Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. The markets are still in a lull. We are waiting for that next stage of the bull market, and while we're in this consolidation phase, let's explore three new cryptocurrencies that could potentially do a 10 to 100x in the future. If you're new to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel, ensure that you subscribe so you stay in the know of the latest and greatest crypto insights. So let's just jump straight into action here. Coin number one will be Book of Meme. This is quite a newly incepted meme coin on the Solana chain, which has indeed corrected around 50% from its top now. And over the last 7 days, it's actually reflected really bullish results here. It's moved about 20% in the last week to the upside. So this is a Solana-based meme coin with a market cap of $700 million, where a 10x would take that to $7 billion, which is quite a realistic price tag. So circulating supply, 68.9 billion BOEM tokens exist at the moment. 0.01 is the price tag. So really we want to see this remove a zero in the future. Could be something that actually potentially happens. So Book of Meme, if you haven't checked it out already, the website is very minimalistic and it could be quite off-putting, but from a chart perspective, we've just hit oversold on the RSI, going below that 30 RSI time frame, or not time frame, but indicator here. So these levels here reflect human behavior, they reflect human psychology, because every time that you do enter these sub 30 RSI regions, there's usually also extreme fear, or at least heavy quantity of fear in the crypto markets at the time. So you have to kind of get used to buying fear, which is down here, and then selling greed, which is somewhere at the top, and that's kind of what you have to rinse and repeat in these bull market cycles. So it did just enter that oversold phase where there was a lot of fear in the market, and then it's up 30% since. I do think we could see a $0.03 Book of Meme by the end of this bull market, which would take this coin up another 2 to 3x. Of course, 10x is still out the picture, but we're just trying to be a bit more realistic here. Book of Meme, in terms of its on-chain data, we can see the Solana BOEM daily active users is looking strong. The cumulative holders is on the rise over the last 14 days, and the transaction fees are still looking quite promising, which reflects a lot of on-chain activity and users here. So Book of Meme is coin number one, ladies and gents. The link is down below. Coin number two will be Pepe Unchained. It's going to have its very own blockchain and very own block explorer. This is a big one. This is a new layer 2 utility packing meme coin. In 1 day, 22 hours, the price will go up. So if you want to grab more of these tokens for each dollar you spend, link is down below. Not financial advice, but one pepe is 0.00812. So it does look good. They've got big staking rewards at the moment, like really big, 1,632% APY. And it's a cool project. Pepe being the main character, who is now unchained with his own layer 2 kind of ecosystem here. Really cool stuff. Tokenomics, you've got 8 billion tokens maximum, where you can see the tokenomics here. The tokens are being allocated to different areas of the pre-sale. So 20% on pre-sale, 30% on staking, rewards, 20% on marketing. Liquidity gets 10%, project financing gets 10%, then chain inventory gets 10% as well. Pepe Unchained roadmap, of course, they've got a plan here, a long-term mission to make one of the coolest meme coins. So being a Pepe-inspired token, we do see these Pepe-related coins go quite wild. And it is very memey, it is very gimmicky, but it could be something good. You can see the 1 million raise reward or celebration post here did get quite a lot of retweets and likes on it. So maybe we will get some continuation to the upside. I'd be very happy if we could see this go up further in price. Pepe Unchained, 1632 per annum at the moment. Not bad at all. So yeah, that staking reward will go down slowly as more liquidity is provided into the staking pool, but naturally it's looking quite good at the moment. So if you want to check out Pepe Unchained for your chance at maybe getting a 10x, the link is down below. Coin number three, a new meme coin. Chuan Poo over here, guys. Chinese Donald Trump. This one has already done amazing things. It's already ripped massively, but is now corrective, meaning that it's lowered in price. It's at a more realistic stage for accumulation. It's gone between its 0.6 and 7 Fibonacci. So $283,000 of locked liquidity. The price is 0.0067. The market cap is $6.5 million. So 10x takes it to 65 million, 100x to 650 million. This is effectively the Chinese Donald Trump. So it's all about, you know, having fun. It's very tied into elections. They've got their own episodes, cartoon shows and episodes, which is really fun and decent. It's decent stuff here, guys. It's a Solana meme coin at heart, but I think we could really see this also expand out to different chains maybe in the future. At $50 million market cap, they're going to have another token burn, which would be really cool. And you can see here is actually a cartoon that they recently did as we go through. This is literally an episode. Joe Biden, Donald Trump. So it's quite funny that they're now creating episodes, and that was their first episode where they got massive traction, loads of likes and all that juicy stuff. So if you like Chuanpu as well, the link is down below. I think this is a good area for accumulation, not financial advice, but we're sitting at a very nice area at 0.006. If we do get continuation to the upside, we'll break through resistance at 0.009. Resistance is there. There could be MEXC listings as well, should the price look decent for the next few weeks. I mean, we had a big crash in the market. It's holding really well. So if you want to grab some more of these tokens, or if you're a new buyer, potentially the link is down below as well. So thanks for watching this video on the Night and Bitcoin's YouTube channel. That is a wrap. Hopefully the markets do get better. We had coin number 1, Book of Meme. Coin number 2, Pepe Unchained. Coin number 3 being Chuanpu. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the 99 Bitcoin's YouTube channel.